Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for viewing, thank you for being here. This is our trip to Dunn's River Falls in Jamaica in 2023 December. It was a fun trip. Just to note, if you are a visitor, you don't have any Jamaican ID or anything, then the price is going to be different from if you locally or if you have a Jamaican ID. And there are different prices which include guided tours. So if that is something that you're interested in, then you can always select that option and go ahead and get a guided tour. As you can see, it is like a very nice place to visit. I'm from Jamaica and I love visiting Dunn's River Falls, despite the water being cold and I'm not able to swim and everything else that comes with, the fear of water. But it is a very nice place to be at. It's somewhere you can actually hang out with your family, because there are other areas that includes like a kids section with a slide. There are so many things that you can actually do there. Just check out the video. If you have any questions, you can always leave them below. And I hope on the next trip to Jamaica, or if you haven't been there, I hope that you will put this on your bucket list of things to do.
Yeah man, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Okay, what's your channel?
My channel is Welcome to Jamaica.
Okay.
So if you've been to Dunn's River Falls, they have guided tours where tourists tend to, meet with different tour guides, and then they will form a chain and climb the river together, or the falls together. And usually it's a big accomplishment for a lot of people because the water is very cold. It is very, very hard to go through that if you're not having someone guiding you, because there's so many rocks on the ground. And it's just a little bit difficult for you to navigate it by yourself, especially if you don't know how to climb the falls. The water here is very cold. of the falls, after climbing the falls for probably a few minutes, this is where they actually come and exit at this little section. You have some tourists who will just go ahead and sit at the end there because, as I say, it's a very long walk. You get to rest in between because, you know, you can't really do much walking on those large rocks, and some of the areas are very slippery. So you have points where the tour guides will just like stop and you'll just rest there and then you'll continue. But this is the exit for the fall. If you want, you can always walk further up, but that will kind of leave you not so much into an area where you'll be able to sit down, because it's going further into the hills where the fall is actually running from. And see, anybody can actually go on this tour. Anybody can actually go on this guided tour at the Dunn River Falls. There's no age limitation. Just make sure, you know, you're wearing comfortable shoes that can actually grip onto those rocks. Make sure you're wearing something that is not slippery. Make sure you're not on any blood thinners, because if you're on blood thinners and you have a fall, then that's going to be detrimental. Just make sure that you have a safe trip and hope you enjoy, you know, every aspect of it. All right, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You know, go on to the other videos and hopefully you'll enjoy or see something that interests you, that you'd want to come back. And going forward, I'll try to do a better job at video editing as well as recording. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.